Hello, this is Engineer Rodolfo B. Ucati from Haro, Iloilo City, Philippines. This is the seventh series of lecture of the three moment by using the settlement. The given are this EI and the settlement of 8 mm at the support B. The three moment equation uses always two span at a time, and the unknown usually in a three moment equation is the moment. Okay, in this case we have span ABC, two span. Then we have this formula M1 L1 is the moment on the left, 2M2 at the middle, twice the moment at the middle, then sum of L1 and L2. Then moment at 3 at C, the third moment times L2. Then the constant of the moment by part, the left one is this area times distance from the origin on the left. This is the constant on the right of the moment by part, the area on the right times origin on the right. Origin here must be on the right. Then this is the formula for this settlement, okay. EI and the deformation vertical displacement. Okay, we will substitute. Moment at A is really 0. Moment on the right twice the moment at B, then this one distance L1 and L2. Moment on the right or moment at C is really 0. Okay, we have this constant on the left. Now, how to solve these numbers? This is the moment by part pivot at C. To solve that, we consider the span BC as a simple beam. Okay, just a simple beam. The reaction at B is equal to reaction at C. Half of the total load 16, half of that is 8. So the reaction at B make a moment pivot at C, so 8 times 4 is 32. On the bottom, due to uniform load, bring this moment to C is 4 times 4 times 2. 16 times 2 is 32. Okay, these two, 32 and minus 32, must be 0 because by simple beam the moment at C is 0. Then on the left segment, to solve this 288 and negative 288, the uniform load moment, bring that to A, pivot at A is 9 times 8, 72 times 4 is this minus 288. Okay, then no need to solve for RB because these two, minus 288 and 288, must be 0. So reaction at B times 14 is 288. We need this to solve this constant on the left, constant on the right. Okay, then this is the settlement. Okay, so the first moment by part, 6 over L1, 14, L1 is 14, times 1/2, 288 area of this, 288 times 14, times distance on the left, 1/3 of 14, then minus the lower part, 1/3, 288 by 8. The area is 1/3, 288 by 8 times distance as 1/4 of 8. This is on the left of the moment by parts. On the right, 6 over 4 times the area of this. On the top portion, 1/2, 32 by 4, 4 times distance on the right as 1/3 of 4, 1/3 of 4, minus the lower part, second degree is 1/3, 32 by 4, times distance from the right is 1/4 of 4, then equal to the constant of the settlement, 6 EI. This is the given. Now we divide this by 10 to the 6 because mm to meter, convert this to meter, it is 1000. Mm to meter is 1000, then square that, this is 10 to the 6. Okay, this H1 over L1. Remember, B is lower by 8 mm, A is higher by 8 mm, C is also higher by 8 mm with respect to B. Our origin is at the middle point of the two span, or B, always at the middle of the two span. So H1 is 0.088 in meters divided by 14, and the right side 0.088 positive divided by 4. Okay, computing now this simplified into a single number. The first one is the settlement. The constant is 617.143, the constant. This, the negative one, is the first one. Okay, why negative? From the equality, this is positive. Transfer that to the right, this becomes negative. And the second constant, this is also positive. Transfer that to the right. Okay, this is the settlement. First constant, second constant. This is a very low value compared to this. Oh, very small area. Negative. So on the right, the constant is negative, usually because the moment at the support usually is negative. Okay, negative. So moment at B is negative 78.3492. We have only one unknown in this equation, so we have to span, and in this equation we have only one unknown. Okay, In order to solve for the reaction, we consider cut section on the left of B. So when we cut the section, there appear here the moment clockwise moment of B. When you place the arrow here, place the arrow with the arrowhead, place this number, but do not write the negative sign, because this direction is understood to be negative. If you place the value here as negative, meaning you reverse the arrowhead. So place the arrowhead here, do not place the negative. Okay, understood to be negative moment at B. So solving for RA, moment at B equal to minus 78.34. Moment at B is really minus 78.3492. So RA times 14 minus 9 times 8 times distance of 10 and 4. As 6 and 4. 6 and 4. Okay, equal to this moment. Then solving for RA, we have only one unknown. For RA is 45.8322. So this is solved now. Now, in order to solve for RC, we consider the right cut section of the beam. Cut section is BC. Then moment at B is equal to same minus 78.34. So the sum of moment on the right is equal to the sum of moment on the left. The moment at B, if we consider the BC, the moment at B is counterclockwise, this direction. Moment at B is this. Then moment B on the right, on the left is 78 minus 78.3492. So 4RC minus 4 times 4 times 2 is equal to negative 78.3492. Okay, that is the moment on B on the left. So solving for RC, it is minus 11.5873. Okay, kilonewton. Now we have now only one unknown, RB. RA given, RC given, RB is unknown. You consider the whole beam ABC. Then take moment at C. Moment at C is really 0. Okay. So moment on the left, RA, is 45.8322 times 18. This is 10 plus 8, 18. RB, unknown, times 4 minus this uniform load, 9 times 8 times, this is 10 plus midway 4 or 14. Then minus 4 times 4 times 2, midway, and equate that to 0. The moment at C is 0. We have only one unknown, RB, and it is equal to 53.7553. Now we have already solved the moment at B, then the three reaction RA, RB, RC. All the unknown are now solved, then we can draw the shear and moment diagram as this. Moment diagram. The values of this are from the topics of strength of material, and I will not discuss this anymore. Okay, the values of this, all of the forces must close, the moment must be close. Then solving if no settlement, if we consider that there is no settlement at B, so it is just a simple three-moment equation. If there is no settlement, the solution is similar to the topics discussed as above, only that you remove the settlement constant, this one. Okay, this is the same as here, 617,143, 617,143, 3364. Remove these two constant on the right of the equality is equal to minus 34. Just add 64 here. It is minus 34, 37.7143. Then solving for the moment, this is 95 minus 95.4921. It is different from this. Why it becomes higher than this one? B is going higher, so the deflected beam, instead of bending so much, when there is no deflection at B, it goes higher. The bending is higher than as that of previous. Okay, the moment is higher. Then solving for the moment, the solution for RA is similar to solving for this, only that change the moment here, change the moment RA, change the moment of 95 instead of 78, use the 95. Okay, the rest the same. So RA becomes 44.60771. Then consider span BC, solving for this C, same as this one, only that change the moment, instead of 78 change that to 95. Then RC is minus 15.87302. Then solving for RB for the whole span, the same as the RB. This is the solution, only that change the moment. There is no moment involved. RA is different from the above. So instead of RA as 45, the moment here is 44. Okay, then we have only one unknown here. RB is 59.26531. Then to check whether your answer is correct, add RA, RB, RC. It must be equal to the external load of these two uniform loads. Okay. Then the plotting of the shear and moment diagram is almost the same as this. Only that the value of the reactions are different and the moment different. Maximum moment different. Okay. The problem here is now solved. So I will challenge you to solve this problem for you to solve, to check whether you learn or not. So change the W, instead of 9 use 6, W1 as 6. Instead of 4 use 10. I use 10 to be higher than the left uniform load, so that may solve the reaction at C as positive. Then distances, instead of 8 here, 6 at A, B as 6, and 4 at C. Then the answers are moment by parts. The level is 108 and 80. Then there is the moment is this, RA, RB, RC are this. Okay, that is for with settlement of 8. Now without settlement, we have these answers, RA, RB, RC, without settlement. Then there is also second problem. We have this all the given. Just post the YouTube. Post the YouTube. Then copy this given and the answer. If you want to know more of my series of lectures, when you go to the YouTube, then go to the upper part, on the research, just type my name, Rod Ucate, then enter. Then you can see all the 7 series of lectures. Okay, that's all for now. Be sure to subscribe. I will be happy if you do so. Then that's all. Thank you.